For this video, I'm going to be showing you what I feed my budgies, so let's get straight into it. For seed, I use this budgie food mix by Trill, and if you have a look at the back, you see what seeds is inside. So there's white French millet, the shell grit, Nutri-Vit, and other natural seeds and whole grains. And then I put it into this container and I mix it with some other things. So one of the things that I provide them with is this Trill mixing with fruits and nuts. I don't really give them the peanuts. And some other things I add in is broken up bits of cuttle bone. I do always keep a bit in the cage so they can always nibble on it then, but I also do break up a bit in here. And so there's other dried fruits and veggies, and yeah, I've also added a bit more shell grit because I noticed that there's not much in that mix, so I have added a bit more. And so that's what I give them with the seeds, and I give that to them daily. And then I add in some vegetables, which I'll show you what I add. I have to cut all the food up very finely or they won't eat it. They will just throw it to the ground, so I have to cut up carrots and all that other stuff really finely. So I'll go show you what I give. So here is their food bowl with their seed, and now I'll be adding some vegetables and fruit if I have any. I have some fruit and celery here today. I normally give them apple as well, and whatever I have is good for them, but we've run out of all the other stuff, so it's just celery and carrot for today. Cut up, and now I'll add it into the seed bowl. All of it is added in. I mix it around so that it's not all just one big clump on the top, and that they can get to seed as well as the veggies. So now that it's all mixed in, I'll go give it to my budgies. And it should be pretty obvious, but when you're feeding your budgies, you should change out the food every single day, and also always provide them with water and change that out every day and clean out the bowl. But I'm pretty sure that's pretty obvious and everyone should know that, but I still wanted to mention that. So let's see if they'll come down to eat. As I said before, I do keep a bit of cuttle bone in the cage, as well as this mineral block, which is always in the cage for them to eat. So that is it for this video. These are what I feed my budgies, and I didn't get any videos of them eating, so I'm sorry about that, but I hope you enjoyed and found it useful.